Oh, look.
Here. But actually, I would never leave it up this loud because you don't want to leave if you're leaving on the radio or music or anything.
Do you like him, Mommy Dave? Oh,
Yeah,
there he
I
goes.
hear it, but
Actual bugs on me.
They do rest. They do like to have their rest.
Oh, look.
Do you cover them up at night or leave them out?
On the weekends, I do cover them up because I'm usually in here.
Look, Peyton.
But
Look, Peyton. He's on Olivia's shoulder. Look, look.
You're a good dog. You're not dog. You're a good birdie.
No. Now he's on Aunt Jinjin's. He's making his rounds.
No way.
You want him? Let's see if we can get
Look.
him.
He's going to get, look, she's going to get him. Aunt Jinjin's got him. Look, she's going to put him in her coffee cup.
You want to pet his head?
Me.
No,
Yeah.
Hayden, you're such a boy.
Right there. You want to try?
Mom, feeling he's so soft.
Look, she's trying to kiss him. Give him a
Give
kiss.
him a kiss.
Give him a kiss.
Mom, touch him. He's so
bird on
soft.
her head.
Touch him. Touch him.
It won't.
See, in the wild, this is what we learned. In the wild, the only time the birds
that
will
right
touch
there?
their body is when they're getting ready to mate. And so that's very stimulating to the bird
He's very stimulated right now.
and to Jen.